There they are right here. This behind me here is the $15,000 home right here. This is called the RJO, Randy Jones Original. Amanda called this, named it after me. It was the most economical home we build. Is an RJO. It's 8x16, $15,000. Only till Labor Day. We're going to cut the sale off. Don't know if we'll ever offer it again. Maybe in 2024, sometime in the future. But right now, if you guys want this, give us a call right now. Let us know if you're interested in doing this. We can build them in probably January, February of next year. Our October builds are full. We're going to take the whole month of October and build 100. We sold 100. If we can build a few more or sell a few more before Labor Day, we'll do that. Here's our cottage. Our cottage is 10 by 20. The front porch goes with it. Everybody, this is, as you can tell, this is a gorgeous home. Amanda's she's in Pensacola for the weekend. She just talked to me on the phone. She said, Randy, they got little cottages on the beach and they look so adorable. Some of them are 2-story, of course, to be beautiful, but isn't this gorgeous? This is $49,900, completely done. Inside, outside, you got the shutters, you got the flower boxes, you got all the doors, the cabinets, the heating and air, everything on it except for this 1-bay window, and we'll put that on there for you too. If you like it, it's an extra amenity, and we have probably 22 different add-ons that you can put on all our homes with solar and off-grid. All these different beautiful things you can add to your home. Over here is a special, and I'm telling you all about this is because we have this Labor Day sale ending in Labor Day. Now that one right there is our new panel 8x20 Incredibox. All right, so you guys know I'm going solo here today. These are with our new panels. So is the cottage. The cottage is with the new panels. There's no fasteners on here, right? It's got metal trim all around it. Nothing's gonna rot. There's no 2x4s in the walls, nothing. This is a forever home. This is for generations and generations to pass down. It's 20 foot long. There's a loft at the top, back here in the back. If you like an egress to make that a window, we do sell an egress window to make that a bedroom, right? These are beautiful. This right here is selling, normally it's $30,000, but we're throwing in a mini split for free. If you get the old panels where you see all the fasteners, it's $27,500. Why not go with another $2,500? Go with the new panels. They're 2 5/8 thick. Our old panels are a little under 2 inches. You get a little more R value. Our original panels are great too. These, we sell these because this is probably where we're going in our future. It's a thicker, stronger panel. It'll hold up more with snow load. It's just a thicker house, you know, but beautiful because it has no fasteners and it's a little bit more refined and finished. So we do have this option going on for a free mini split up until Labor Day. So this sells for $30,000, but we're throwing in a $2,700 mini split for free if you order before Labor Day and pay for it. All right. So you have 3 models, which is our 8x20 Incredibox. We have our cottage right here. Let me grab this camera so you guys can see. You can hear our sales guys talking. But this one right here for $49,900, this is our cottage. Look at the wood shake shingles. I'm gonna lift this camera way up high. All right. You see the shutters, the flower boxes. Let me walk around here a little bit and show you. Isn't that beautiful? This is the way it comes. Now you can pick out the colors you want, right? Now these are our new panels. You can see there's no fasteners, right? Like we do on our old panels. Go around the back. Now this is the bay window that we put on extra. That's $2,500 if you want the bay window. But this model does come with the mini split. $49,900, 10 by 20. Let me walk around this side. Look at, see the flower boxes, the shutters, the shake shingles on the top, and then we'll go on the inside. But this right here, you can see the difference we got right here. So you got your fasteners, and these are our original panels. These are made out of door remnants. And then we're gonna show you the ones that are not. These are our new panels. And they're 40 inches wide, no fasteners. It gets just a more finished look. Now also, on the cottage, this is an LP siding, right? So this is a compressed aspen wood material that has about a 40-year warranty on that. Isn't that gorgeous? And we use that on our cottage to trim it all out. Now on the inside, because we have the RJO and the cottage is a 1-bedroom. And the reason I called it a cottage, I don't know, I just thought it was so nice because you come in, you've got this beautiful kitchen, cooktop range hood, microwave, farm style sink, gooseneck faucet, refrigerator goes right here. Here's your living room, dining room area. This is 10 foot wide. And there will be a, we were talking about, probably won't be a barn door there because we'd like to hang a TV right here. So we're thinking about maybe some little doors that'll fold open. And then back here, of course, this is your washer and dryer. Stackable washer and dryer, bathroom. And I know we've done several videos on this, but I just wanted to let you guys know that for Labor Day special, you guys got to get this. And we can do an add a cottage. You go to our website and we got a CGI that Marcus did for us, a CGI video, and it shows this added to another one. And you can take and you can buy for $29.9. You can add a cottage just like this and add it to this one. So if you have a 1-bedroom bathroom, or this could be a study, and you over there, you could have a full living room and bedroom and don't have a bathroom over there for $29.9. And if you buy both of them before Labor Day, we will, well, that sale is for the first 100. And I think we've sold about probably 20 or 25 of these. So for the first 100 homes, we will go anywhere in the country and put these together for you so you're all set up, all right? It's a new concept for us. We know what to do, but it's gonna be a little bit strange for you guys to put these together, but also we're gonna show you how to take them apart, that if you wanna separate these ever and move them and sell them, you can do that too. Now, if you buy a $29.9 cottage, all the plumbing and wiring are still in the floor and walls, everything you need. If you ever wanted to look like the original, that way, if that one does not have the kitchen bathroom, you can put a kitchen and bathroom later if you ever wanted to separate them and sell them individually. I think that's a big plus with this concept that we have. This is 10 by 20 front porch. You get another 10 by 20 front porch, and maybe you could have 2 of these completely trimmed out. But let's say you don't want to have this bedroom. You want it all open and no kitchen and just a bathroom. We can do that. Let's say you just want all this trimmed out on the next one and have nothing in it. We can do that. So there's different ways of doing the cottage and the added cottage, just like our Incredibox and our Add-A-Box. The reason I love that is because you can keep stacking and stacking and stacking these houses. You could have one on this side, one on that side, however you want to do that. And you can keep adding, and then you can separate them. You're not locked in on a 400 to 600, 800 square foot house. You can separate them and sell them at 200 square feet each. Anyway, I like the idea. Also, these panels are interior walls, you guys, and the ceiling. You can see that there's no fastener screws. It's really nice trim. If you do buy this $49.9, it comes painted, trimmed out. Those doors will be painted right there. Comes with the ceiling fan. It does come with a stackable washer and dryer and a refrigerator. Yes. So there you have it. This is the cottage. If you all have been following us, I'm sure you've been watching the videos and hope you're not sick of seeing the cottage. I love it. And of course the RJO. And that ends Labor Day. We're not going to build any more of these after Labor Day or take any more sales in. $15,000 house. All right, let me show you that one real quick, just so you guys, what do we got? 2 more weeks before Labor Day? 15 grand, everybody, come on. This thing's under 5,000 pounds. There's your kitchen. Butcher block, regular kitchen. Look at this, 15 grand. Nuts. Bathroom, you got a regular shower. You don't have to have an RV shower. Regular toilet. If you want to compost, we can put that in there for you. This is our solar unit that you have. And then you got this huge living room. Now the bay window's extra. We are offering a special right now. If you want to buy the bay and the mini split, 5 grand. So for $20,000, you get this house right here, except for the solar that we have up on the roof. Yep, that's a wood stove. It's a little pricey. It's $2,500 installed anywhere in any home we have. It is pricey for us too, but we're going to install it. It has an intake air and an exit for the smoke, and we can put it anywhere in the house. And also, our 22 different amenities also apply to this house. So if you want to go ahead and add solar to it, we got a lot of specials. And I know it's a summertime thing, but I think it's fun to do specials. Like we have a solar system that's $7,500. We're offering it for 7 grand. I would definitely take the 7 grand one and add an extra battery to it and have 2 5K lithium batteries to a unit. No problem running that mini split in here. Also, if you want a compost toilet, you're off grid then. You can collect your own rainwater, or we can do that for you too, put gutters and a rain collection system on this. That goes for any home that we have. So there you have it, everybody. These are our Labor Day specials, our summer specials. Our add-a-box and added cottages goes for the first 100 homes, just to help you guys know that, hey, if I get this, I really don't know how to put it together, and we'll come out and do that for you for free, all right? Just because we're excited about the add-a-box and the added cottage, we'll come out and help you and show you what's going on. So give us a call. You can email at sales@incredibletinyhomes.com, info@incredibletinyhomes.com, or give us a call. Go to our website, incredibletinyhomes.com. Everything's pretty simple, Incredible Tiny Homes. So I'm Randy Jones. I'm here at 850 Industrial Road. If you guys want to come by, see what we're doing, look at our beautiful communities that we're putting in. We just planted another 60, 80 palm trees that we're putting in. Yeah, we're crazy. We don't do everything according to plans and according to whatever the norm is. But this is an exciting time for us, and we're proud that we're able to offer affordable housing. Who's selling a home that is a complete kitchen, complete bathroom, everything? Now, and I'm going to raise it, it's for 15 grand, but you put a mini split in a bay window. I don't know, I'm sure you guys know people, but do you realize that it's a $20,000 house that has a bay window mini split and that you can rent this thing out as an Airbnb? Even if you just rented it out for 50 bucks a night, which is unheard of, in a remote setting, even over on the farm, plug an extension cord to it. If you had to, get one of our IPPs and plug to it, which is incredible portable power, or do a generator. People love that stuff. So I don't know how long we're going to be able to do this. I love the fact that we're able to offer this during a time when inflation is huge. Prices have went up, sky high. Affordable housing is horrible. And, you know, I hate to say it, but, you know, a lot of municipalities won't allow you to put these in the backyard, right? You can't live in the backyard. You know, you can buy one of these and put it in your backyard. You may not be able to live in it, but it's like buying a shed. You can buy a $25 permit, put it in the backyard. It's a shed. It's on wheels. You have it. If you ever need it in the future, your family members, somebody might need this. My mother was 96 years old. She would love to have lived with her hospital bed right here. She has a lazy boy chair. Let me move this right here and I'll show you. And this is true. To be able to, let me make sure you guys can see me. So my mom was 96. She was in a 10 by 20 and it was actually probably too big for her. Because you can have a single bed right here, and you can have her, even if you don't have this, we'll put another window here, but you can have a lazy boy chair to sit back, watch TV, got her bed. There's her place to sit. You can have a nice little table to eat at. This folds down, and then you've got a kitchen and bathroom. What's really nice for maybe an elderly person is there's not much room. You don't have to walk very far to anywhere, right? And you've got walls to hang on to. You can put grab bars here. My mom was real big about her walker. A walker can walk right through this between the kitchen and the bathroom. Probably the only tight spot in here will be the shower. Now my mom, when she would put her walker right inside the shower, and it's got that small lip, so it is not handicap accessible, but this door is wide enough, right here, this door is wide enough to go from here to here. I think it's 33 inches that you can get a walker in there. Now, that's not the only reason that you want to buy this. Is for, your mom or an elderly person or your dad. But it's also a great Airbnb. If you guys ever went to, what's it called, Getaway? Getaway is an Airbnb company that's got hundreds, if not thousands, of Airbnbs all over the country, and they're way out in the middle of nowhere, right? They usually have the bed right here in the living room in one room, and they got kitchen, bathroom. Done. This is it. Outside here, you got to look if you have a view or if you have a fire pit out here, some sort of deck. They're paying big money just to stay. And people are driving in the middle of nowhere, right, and having a place to stay. If you were to go ahead and put the solar on this, if you put a little bit bigger solar, put 2 or 3 lithium batteries on here for $30,000, because Our solar is about $7,000. So if you put this here, the bay window in this, you got 20 in it. So let's say you want to put 7,000 into the solar. So you got 4 panels, charge controller, 1 lithium battery. I'd go ahead and put 2 or 3 more batteries in this. So have 3 or 4 batteries in this, get up around 30K. You are now, I tell you what, go 2 batteries and a compost toilet. For $30,000, you are completely self-contained to be able to rent this out without any utilities. So if you have a place up in the mountains or a place in the backyard on a farm, or you know somebody, you can say, hey, I know somebody who has some land, but we can't afford to run water, power, and sewer to it. You can run this and put this on that land, rent it out with having any utilities whatsoever. That's exciting. Now that applies to all of our homes, all right? You can take an Incredibox and do the same thing, all right? The Incredibox is a different layout. The 20-footer with the new panels, amazing. You can add those same amenities to the Incredibox. This one is just a special. It's $15,000 and it's smaller. It's an 8x16, but man, think about it. So for $30,000, and I know that's still a lot of money, but it's nothing compared to the income that will be produced with that investment. Depending on how aggressive you are in renting it in your place where you're at and how you market this and social media doing this, it depends on how much money you can make, of course, right? But you decorate this up really cute, and I guarantee you, if you needed to sell it, you're getting all your money back. Every one of our homes that we've ever built that I know of that has sold for more money than what people have paid. So there you have it, everybody. This one lasts till Labor Day. The $15,000, we'll take orders. It'll be built sometime in 2024. We don't know what day until we make sure we get all of our panels. We're collecting. We need 10 more truckloads, and I think we just started. We got 1 Friday, so that means we need 9 more truckloads before November, December, and we'll know we can build these in January, all right? So we have a lot going on. Please go to our website, look at all our specials that we have, and also come and visit us. We're in East Tennessee, and if you Google us, you know what they say? If you want to Google, you want to go to Newport, Tennessee, and you say, what can I do in Newport, Tennessee? And they have go see incredible tiny homes. So we're a destination. We're finally a destination. I always wanted to be one. I always said I wanted to make Newport, Tennessee just the mecca of tiny homes. This is a place. People are going to fly into Knoxville, fly into Asheville, North Carolina, and come here and be a part and see what kind of crazy stuff we've done with the tiny home concept. All right? Many more things to come. Please check out our videos, check out our website. We thank you so much. We're proud of what we do. You can come here, put your hands on it, touch it, feel it, look at it, and you'll know that we're the real deal. I know it seems crazy, but we are. We don't hide anything. We show you how we build them. We show you how they're built. We'll take these videos, show you everything you need. All right? So I'm Randy Jones. I got some guy coming. I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes. Newport, Tennessee. Bye. I got to turn this thing off now. And listen, I don't know how to edit, right? So I'm going to keep it just the way it is.